Timmy, my friend. Yo, what's up, brother? Hello. Now it's much better, yeah?
You been?
Long story. Don't worry about me. So busy right now, and even people recognizing me over here. That's unbelievable. Hello world, wszystkim just arrived to Kuta, to the beach walk area, and well, let's see how's the situation today around. It was cloudy, but seems like its weather is going to be better for the sunset time. Anyway, this is the streets around. Alright, a quick view of the situation outside the beach walk next to the Kuta Beach parking area. I saw it busier already, actually, to be honest. But yeah, let's see. I'm gonna go into direction of the Kuta Beach main gate, and later on I'm gonna come back to the beach walk, and I'm gonna make maybe 1-2 minutes at the end of the video from the mall itself for every mall lovers, guys. Meanwhile, if you're considering about the traffic in Bali, I mean, situation regarding the amount of cars and bikes driving around, it's busy. However, there is no people walking on the street, not many at least. There are some, obviously, and here are some ladies, foreigner, look, and they are local tourists coming to the mall, but not that much, even in the mall. Anyways, I used to go from the Kuta Square up to Beachwalk. Now I'm doing completely different direction. Here's supposed to be something, some people waiting to offer you transport or bike. And this is the entrance to the Poppies Lane too. Actually, slightly busier, at least at the entrance. There's some traffic around, that's actually for sure. But yeah, heading into area of the, I don't know what's the hotel here actually, but there are some people inside. Well, definitely it's getting better and better. It's still kind of far until the normal conditions, what we all remember from the situation. However, yeah, sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's quiet. This is the area of the ex-McDonald's, what is gone, of course. Also, Flapjacks, Bali is open. Another mini market. There are so many mini markets now nowadays in Bali. Some people around. That was the popular meeting spot in McDonald's over here. Where is this mini mart Alpha Express? However, it's gone. I made a special video about that. That was in the beginning 2020. In end maybe middle of 2020, something like that. There's still some tour information. Money changer. These money changers are, I think they are not 100% legit, so be careful with that. But that's maybe material for different video. And this is the entrance to the Poppies Lane 1. Some people, yo, yeah, it's getting similar like it was. That's the Kuta Beach situation. People driving, yo. Yeah, there are some people in the bar in the Kuta Beach, and there are some local people. Well, that's the beginning of development of Bali over again, right? In simple words, we need to wait for another thousands of people coming to Bali in upcoming weeks and months. So, well, this year it's gonna be like that. You're gonna see through my eyes the beginning of the developments. And check this out, the beer car is coming back. They're coming back. Some Australians who like to drink, they're coming back, guys. So it's getting better, but it's still far. But meanwhile, I think the local domestic tourism is going actually pretty well, or even very good. This is the entrance to the Mercure Hotel. So many cars and the big buses around. So yeah, the local tourism is really busy actually, right? Of course, not mentioned last week when it was the holidays. That was completely different story, but still, but definitely slightly more foreigners. I mean, yeah, foreigners, tourists also around. So that's getting better. A little bit of the traffic on the Kuta streets, very close to the hotel, Hard Rock Hotel in Kuta. Here we go, guys, little bit of the look. All of these hotels are open, obviously, right? Hard Rock bar and cafe situation also behind me. Also, there were some ladies, foreigner looking. However, guys, you know what I want to say. I want to be optimistic. It's getting busier, but maybe not in Kuta, maybe in Legian is actually better right now. Of course, Canggu, I'm gonna go to Canggu in next few days. You will see what's going on there. Anyways, this is the world famous entrance to the Kuta Beach. And actually something is happening around. Check this out, actually quite many people walking around, driving, cruising. There are some foreigners at the front. And here on the middle of the street, actually that's very brave indeed. And beautiful entrance to the Kuta Beach. I'm gonna try to pass the street, cross the street. This is a little bit like in a, yeah, some tourists around, that's for sure. And this is the like a very simple recording of video, but there are some tourists here, definitely, and here, everywhere. Yo! And everywhere. Oh my god, the team seems to be busy today. I will have a look around. Aussies are back. Unbelievable. I mean, wow. Aussies are back actually, guys, in Kuta Beach. Oh, that's definitely, now I see it's busy actually over here. Yo, hello, Timmy, my friend. Yo, what's up, brother? Hello. Now it's much better, yeah?
How you been?
Long story, don't worry about me. How is doing? How is going? All better?
Much better.
Much better, right? All right, let's have a look. That's good.
Photo from next door now.
That's good, that's good. Hello, guys. I'm fine. Wow. Let's see, I don't even know where is Timmy right now. I already lost the count, but it's, wow, so busy right now. And even people recognizing me over here. That's unbelievable. Where is Timmy? I cannot see him anymore. He must be busy. That's the Rocky Boy dog. Definitely. I cannot find him. Really, I cannot find him. He's esky, but I don't know where he is. Anyway, it's very, very busy. That's the Kuta Beach. I'm speechless. Positively, of course. Positively. Simpson is busy already. Check this out. Popular guy here. Alright, guys, if you are talking about the Aussie community, about the Kuta Beach and Kuta Beach Bar, Simpsons, Timmy, and everyone, this is the comprehensive review. It's definitely busier. I mean, it's still not as that, but well, I'm impressed. Really impressed, positively. Timmy is busy. Also on the Kuta Beach, there are non-Australian people enjoying the sunset, what is gonna be in upcoming 20 minutes. Some other people, local people, and I'm gonna show you one more. Look at this guy, he's driving here. I don't know if it's allowed. And they are, of course, the people who are enjoying the bars. All right, this is it. The Australian community come back to Kuta Beach. There was about 100 people around drinking and chilling. One couple even say hi to me, so recognize. Thank you so much, guys. Heading now to the beach walk. I'm gonna show you inside the mall a little bit, because I know some of you really like the mall better than the Kuta Beach vibe and stuff like this. Trying to make everyone at least a little bit happy, guys.
You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your love. Well, this is definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Looking in the rearview mirror, my decisions may be clearer. You say I'll never find somebody like you. Somebody like you. Without the words, I love you till the end. Without not even trying.
Over here is the newest wing of the beach walk, more what they opened during the 2021 year. One of these hotels, these buildings actually, the hotels, there's some yellow hotel, and behind me is a loft by Marriott, also city hotel by the budget group of the Marriott's hotels. That's how it looks today's situation, show you a little bit of everything. I hope so you enjoy. Tomorrow will be something different, as always, 4 p.m. Bali time every single day. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. See ya. Also, this is not endorsement, guys, but this shop, this is the Where's the Winnie is buying the hair beautiful. She dresses what so many ladies asking, but that's not paid endorsement. I not endorse this company.